Hi friends, I am Rajesh Singh. In this video, I will explain how you can open any Hikvision devices on Chrome browser and you can see live view and playback and can monitor other setting on Chrome browser. Because oftenly it has been seen that it creates some problem while monitoring live view of any Hikvision devices like camera, DVR or NVR. So in this video I will explain how you can see live view of any Hikvision devices, that is any camera, any DVR or any NVR on Chrome browser. So before proceeding, if you have not subscribed my channel till now, so please subscribe it and let's start. So first of all, I have taken a Hikvision IP camera and its IP is 192.168.1.64. So I have opened it on Chrome browser. So you can see here. Now I will type user ID and password. And click on login. Here you can see there are three options highlighted. First one is Hikvision logo, second one live view and third one is configuration. In configuration we can monitor any settings, and in live view we can see the preview and live view of the camera, but here we are unable to see its view. So what we do, first of all you need to open Google Chrome and search IE tab, Internet Explorer tab, and click on add. I have already done it and I have IE tab in my Chrome browser. So I have clicked on IE tab option. Now here I will type the same IP of the Hikvision camera or DVR or NVR. Now I will type user ID and password and click on login option. Here you will find to install plugin. So I will click on installation process and click on run option. So plugin will be installed. Again click on run, because there are some security reasons. That's why it's not opening on Chrome browser. Now installation has been finished. Now you can refresh again. After refreshing page, you are now able to see live view of the camera. You can open any Hikvision devices, camera, DVR or NVR on Chrome browser. So if you have liked the video, please share it and also subscribe the channel so you can get regular update regarding to CCTV technology.